Hello and welcome to this week's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman. Today we are looking at translations, and XAMN and XRY offers a lot of support for different languages. One of the things that I wanted to show you today is how to set up translations for XAMN. The first port of call is that you're going to need a license that offers translation services. Once you have that on your license, you need to head over to the customer portal, and you can see we offer various offline language packs. Now, as is always the case, any languages that have been interpreted, you may need to be verified to be allowed for testimony. So use these as intelligence to prove that you're along the right track of what you need an accredited interpreter to come and perform those services for you. So before you download the languages of your choice, the first thing you need to do is you need to download the XAMN Text Intelligence Pack. And please make note here that any new update to this intelligence pack will mean that you need to update the language pack. So once you've downloaded that, you can then download one of these files. So if I choose Danish, that's now going to download. And once downloaded, all you need to do is to simply double click the MSI. Once you've double clicked that, it will be available to you as a language. Now, I have installed Danish and Swedish on this machine, and if we go to XAMN, I will now show you how to use it. So if we go to messages, that's going to be the most common place where you're going to be translating languages, and this top one is in English. But if I right click the text, I then get the choice to translate all that's currently selected or only that particular text. If I do only this, I then get the option of my installed languages packs, which is Danish, Swedish. If I'm happy with the translation, I then hit Save Translation and it is added into XAMN Notes. Hopefully this has been a good reminder of how to install and set up language packs. Thank you.